It is now 4 p.m. on November 13th Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested short selling in EURUSD above 1.0746. The highest price after the issue was 1.0710, which was 36 points away from the entry point. The exchange rate did not fall after catching up and fluctuated around 1.0700. In addition, it is also recommended to go long below 1.0642. The minimum is 1.0665, which is 23 points short of the entry point. It rose to 1.0710 in advance, with only a 45-point increase. Because we still hold gold long orders that enter the market below 1941, so did not make any new positions yesterday. When it rose to 1948 last night, Laodai prompted to leave the market and make a profit of $700 to $1,630 per lot. The above are the intraday pending orders that traders need to operate. In addition, there are also small band market execution orders and EA automatic trading orders in EURUSD. You can see the historical records and real-time process in Laodai's account. From November 1st to today, we have made a profit of $16,453 through light-hand operations. It is expected that the monthly income will remain stable at 11 to 19% by the end of the month, which is not much but more stable, especially now that the entire financial market is exposed to risks, with major events frequently intervening in the market. Traders need to reduce the number of lots and set stop losses to operate. And retail investors must also determine their risk tolerance and monthly target returns. Laodai's main account has been displaced for more than 3 years and will continue to be made public for reference. If interested, you can also ask me for the observation password. The initial funds for custody range from $5,000 to $200,000. You can choose the cooperation mode according to your needs. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. It has been restricted to the 1.0650 to 1.0730 range recently. Pay attention to whether the US CPI data tonight can break the volatile market. Although inflation has declined, it is still far from the 2% target. Federal Reserve officials also used this as a reason to make hawkish speeches. Moreover, energy and food prices have declined in recent weeks. Except for the high level of inflation in the service industry, the market believes that this time the CPI has declined as a whole, and the impact is slightly negative for the US dollar. It is recommended that EURUSD goes long with light positions at 1.0655 to 1.0590 during the day, with stop loss at 1.0580. Gold held the key support of 1933 yesterday and technically rebounded to around 1950 in the early morning. It is expected that there will not be too many bets before tonight's inflation data, and the probability of maintaining shock is high. If the support below 1933 is effective, you can continue to pay attention. If it falls below, there is a risk of testing 1920, and you need to operate with a light position. It is recommended to go long at 1932 to 1919 during the day, with stop loss at 1917. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil. Including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laodai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Warren Buffett.